Hey there, fellow Jira enthusiasts and productivity seekers. In the video, we're diving into a game-changing Chrome extension about revolutionizing how you manage the task creation process in Jira Cloud. Welcome to this exciting showcase of the issue creator for Jira Cloud extension. Alright, let's jump in and explore the fantastic features of the issue creator for Jira Cloud. This Chrome extension is a powerhouse of productivity designed to integrate your Jira tasks with your browsing experience seamlessly. First up, we have the ultra-convenient task creation feature. Imagine this: browsing the web, stumbling upon something that sparks a project idea. With a few clicks, you can instantly create a Jira task from any Chrome tab without breaking a sweat. But wait, there's more. Issue Creator goes beyond just text. Capture screenshots, add annotations, and make your visuals pop. Whether it's a design inspiration, a bug report, or just a cool web element, you can annotate and highlight with ease. Need to capture a complex interaction? No problem. The screen recording feature lets you record your actions on the web page, perfect for demonstrating user flows, reproducing bugs, or sharing valuable insights with your team. Now, get ready for a mind-blowing feature: manipulating web elements. Move, duplicate, and work with elements on the web page. But wait, there's more. Text Edit Mode lets you edit text directly on the web page while preserving styles. This is like having a virtual playground to fine-tune your ideas before they become Jira tasks. Here comes the icing on the cake: the ability to link visual web elements directly to Jira tasks. Need a reference point? Just link it. No more hunting through tabs. Everything's connected. And there you have it, folks. The issue creator for Jira Cloud extension is truly a game changer. From seamless task creation to advanced screen interactions, it's your all-in-one Jira productivity companion. Imagine the possibilities: effortless collaboration, quicker task capturing, and enhanced communication. Whether you're a developer, designer, QA, or project manager, this extension is a must-have. Until next time, keep innovating, creating, and making your Jira experience better with the issue creator for Jira Cloud extension. Happy tasking!